Hari Om, Shalom, Salam, Sairam, Namaste. Welcome back to the Mantra Shots. If you are enjoying these, kindly share with others, not to promote fame or numbers, but only share the eternal wisdom that breaks all perceptions and dogma. Today, we are going to look at Triambakam Yajamahe, the Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra. Triambakam means the three-eyed one. The three-eyed one implying the image of Lord Shiva. Religiously speaking, the rest of the mantra invokes his grace to conquer death through healing to immortality. All animals are born to die and they die to be born again. How can we then break this cycle? Let's unpack the mantra and look into it. त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात्. Yajamahe, we worship or invoke. Triambakam, the one who sees the tree. Sugandhim, the fragrant one. Pushtivardhanam, one who enhances the strength. Urvarukamiva, like a ripe cucumber or a fruit. Bandhanan mukshiya, which detaches naturally from its vine. Mukshiyama, liberate us or release us. Mrityoh, from death. Amrutat, into immortality. How do we get to experience this eternal immortal self? Physical work makes the body strong. Service to others not only makes the body strong, but also experience the peace beyond our own selfishness. Pushti Vardhanam. Worship makes the mind feel good. Offering prayers for others in selfless love will help expand our own awareness as the fragrance, sugandhim. So like a ripened fruit which easily detaches from the tree, when we experience this service and the love through our body and the mind, we will ripen and detach from death to immortality, which is beyond the body and the mind. Love all, serve all. This is the essence of all religious and faiths, the Maha Mantra that gives us immortality. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.